Tempe, Arizona, a strong wind took off some patio cover off the home residence. Los Angeles, California, reckless driver doing this in front of the kids. Two Porsche Pirates, same day, same house. Check out these crooks, guys. They're trying to steal a Ring camera. Don't know what the plan is, but they're all attempted to break in inside apartments, walking around and looking very suspicious. Here we go again, another Ring camera thief. California, more Porsche Pirates.
Wait a minute. Interesting.
Somebody give me a hand. I'm freaking trapped.
Bakersfield, California, this individual took off with a homeowner's wallet. The thief starts running, and then the homeowner goes after him.
I suggest you drop that. Come here.
We got two creepers just looking around. Check out the speed on this guy. He's just trying to take that package as quick as possible. Elk Grove, California. Lock your doors, guys. Creeps like this, they go to your car, take your battery, and you end up with no battery in your car at the end of the day. Okay, now was this really necessary? This creep goes to your car and starts painting your doors, your car hood for no reason. Renton, Washington, this guy tried to steal a fire extinguisher.